God, I'm way too old for this. Oh! Oh! Ow! Ah! My back. My back. Ow, my neck. Ow. Anyways, look who I found. Look who I found in Five Nights at Freddy's Sex Simulator and Security Breach. You already know who this is. It's Purple Guy. Okay, known as Willie Master that murders children. And he says that he always comes back, and he says this.
I always come back.
There you go. Bye.